English step by step, pronunciation and spelling, vowels, and I, step 2. In this video, I'm going to go through the answers to the practice exercise in the step 1 video, so make sure you watch that video first. And you can also watch the overview video in which I talk about all the vowels with the pronunciations and spellings in English. So now you can check your spelling of these words. Number 1 is belt, belt. Number 2, guess, guess. Number 3, head, head. Number 4, western, western. Number 5, measure, measure. Number 6, built, built. That's the past tense of build. Number 7, guilt, guilt. Number 8, hid, hid. That's the past tense of hide. Number 9, mystery, mystery. Number 10, guild, guild. That's an old word for a small group of people with the same profession. So those are the spellings for the individual words. Now let's move on to the sentences. Sentence 11. The Christians sing hymns in the church service. The Christians sing hymns in the church service. 12. Many people visit England for business and pleasure. Many people visit England for business and pleasure. 13. The children read about the Greek myths. The children read about the Greek myths. 14. He dreamt that he was dead and went to heaven. He dreamt that he was dead and went to heaven. 15. She visited the pyramids in Egypt. She visited the pyramids in Egypt. So that brings us to the end of this step 2 video on the sounds and I. This is one of a series of videos in which I go through the different vowels of English and the pronunciation and spelling of these sounds. You can watch my overview video in which I talk about all the vowels that you can find and their spellings in English. If you like the content of this video, please click like and subscribe, and you can request a lesson in the comments below.